Good day sa lahat ng aking mga itiap. Sana ang iba nakapag-enroll na at yung iba hahabol pa, pwede pa. At ito ay announcement sa ating mga schedules for July. So this coming Saturday, July 6, 7, free time muna tayo. Free time. Wala tayong schedule via Zoom, but the other coordinators ko sa ibang area, pwede silang magklase. Di ba? Ang ibig ko sabihin, like, ibang areas ko, pwede mag-meet up sila. And that will be considered as attendance either sa Zoom sessions or sa face-to-face. Pero sa lahat ng mga Pasay group ko, no, na pwede lang, available, andiyan ako sa July 5. We will have a face-to-face session. Limited lang, ha. Yun lang ang available between 5 in the afternoon hanggang 9. So, I am asking kung sino man yung pwede sa July 5 at our review center, the Gemini Pasay in Manila. Pero sa 6 and 7, wala tayong Zoom. So, I am advising our coordinators, kung mayroon kayong mga schedules, pwede kayo diyan. Tapos sa July 13, we will have a Zoom session. This will be provided by my office as well as on the July 14. Zoom din. Pagka July 20, we are scheduling a face-to-face sessions doon sa Pasay din. I'm talking of the NCR. Pagka 21, Zoom lang tayo with our seminar 2 with Dr. Cutler. No? Please be guided on our seminar. Our second seminar will be on July 21. Pagka 27 and 28, we will have face-to-face doon sa Arroyo University. I am arranging, schedule with Arroyo University campus. Okay, ang Cagayan de Oro College, our face-to-face will start, Cagayan de Oro College main will start this August. This July, since Cagayan de Oro College, I've extended our enrollment. So, face-to-face natin, main, Cagayan de Oro main, will be in, when we say Cagayan de Oro main, I'm referring to those enrolled in Cagayan de Oro City. So, please be guided. No? Pero, ang Zoom continuous. Sa Tagum, Davao with Doc Rigi, mayroon naman siyang schedule. So, please attend to that. Ang ating Caraga, mayroon din sila. We will try to visit Caraga this second week of July. Tapos dito sa Dipulog, most likely on the third week also of July or the last week. Pagka August, mayroon tayong schedule, but ang siguro ko sa August 24, those interested sa ating seminar on fire, because pagkagabi concert yan doon sa Villa Rosalinda Farm and sa Iraya, ang equivalent doon is 2 days. 2 days face-to-face ang credit ko diyan. Because I will have a fire training in the morning and afternoon, pagkagabi, ating second concert of the ETIAP reunion. So lahat ng aking mga ETIAP ngayon, please help us. Magbili na kayo ng ating ticket. We'll have dinner there and we'll have our ticket concert is 1,000 and our training on fire is 2,005. That's face-to-face credited. Right now, we are setting it on August 24. For those enrolled in Lucena, mayroon tayong schedule doon sa ating partner sila ni Rose at Morris doon sa Villa Rosalinda Farm sa Sayaraya, Quezon Province. Malapit lang, border lang yan ng Lucena. At ang COC Main, we will have our fire training. We'll be sitting that on October. But July, ngayong July, please start registering yourself sa modules. Hindi ka makaproceed dito pag hindi ka nakapag-umpisa ng module 1 at also our seminars. Pag mayroon kayong query, please message us in our YouTube channel as well as in our FB Messenger or get in touch with your coordinators. Okay? So, meantime, ito lang muna. Ulitin ko, July 5, I'll be in Pasay Review Center. I will meet some of those interested in the Pasay group. Pagka other schedule, sinabi ko nga, please see each other via our review centers in different areas. Maraming salamat po.